If you're asking, how does LearnWorlds work? You're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how LearnWorlds functions and whether it's the right platform for your online course creation needs. Stick around, because I'll also share an exclusive offer for LearnWorlds and introduce a few top alternatives that might just be a better fit for your goals. You'll want to watch till the end to see these. Let's dive in with the basics. LearnWorlds is an online course creation platform that lets you build, market, and sell courses. From customizable course pages to rich multimedia support, LearnWorlds allows creators to design engaging learning experiences. You can easily upload videos, create quizzes, and even offer certifications. But is it the best option out there for what you need? Next thing to note is their design capabilities. LearnWorlds provides a robust suite of customizable templates, but customization can be a bit limited unless you're familiar with coding. If you're looking to get started fast with a clean, professional-looking site, it's an easy option. However, if you're someone who wants full control over every aspect of your branding and site design, you might find it a bit frustrating. The third thing is LearnWorld's focus on interactivity. It comes with features like interactive videos and gamification tools that can help boost engagement, which is pretty unique in the course creation space. But let's be honest, these tools are more for those who are willing to spend some time learning the platform. If you're someone who just wants to get things up and running fast without the learning curve, this could be a hurdle. Next, we look at pricing. LearnWorlds has several pricing tiers, and while it's affordable for beginners, it can get pricey as your course offerings grow. Some of the more advanced features like white labeling and affiliate marketing are locked behind higher tier plans. So, if you're starting out with a small course catalog, it might make sense. But as you expand, the cost can rise significantly, and that's something to keep in mind. The fourth thing to consider is customer support. While LearnWorlds does offer support through email and live chat, some users have mentioned that the response times can be slower than expected, especially during peak periods. And while they do offer a knowledge base and tutorials, finding specific answers can sometimes be a challenge. Now, here's the twist. While LearnWorlds does provide some solid tools for online course creators, it's not the perfect fit for everyone. If you're focused on selling a large number of courses with a fully customizable site, you might find yourself needing more flexibility. There are other platforms that could offer you a more streamlined experience with better pricing for advanced features. Before I finish, I want to let you know that we've partnered with LearnWorlds to give you an exclusive, extended free trial. That means you can test out everything I just mentioned and see if it's the right fit for you. But I'm also going to recommend a couple of alternatives that might just offer a better solution for your specific goals. These platforms also have free trials and some exciting features that you may find a better match for your needs. So, if you're ready to explore LearnWorlds and discover some great alternatives, be sure to check out the link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to viewers of this video. Thanks for watching!